Hey guys, here is an update. An update today. It is it still snowing? No, maybe it actually stopped, but we have gotten a lot of snow. You can see Dutch over there, and there is the top of the well, and the white trees. So we got, probably a foot at least of snow. I don't really know. And for the first time, we've lived here, excuse me, for 10 years, and there was actually a snow day today. So there's no school, and I'm assuming the buses just couldn't get around. So, yeah, first day in 10 years. School's been closed a couple of times in the past for freezing rain, but not for snow, so... Oh, and Chris, who I used to work for, apparently, she said in 40 years of living here, no, it's still lightly snowing. In 40 years of living here, she's never seen school closed for snow. So it's the first today. Talk to you guys later. Bye.